Continuing our program, we are privileged to welcome the Honorable Secretary Dr. G. Vinod MLA.
Thank you.
Pellapalli continues.
It's indeed a great privilege to be here. One, very deeply grateful to Brother Uttam Kumar Reddy Garu and Ponnam Prabhakar. And the most heartening fact remains that Ponnam Prabhakar and Uttam were so dear to my father, it is which they are going to describe. And it's a huge privilege for all of us to stand over this dais over here, remembering my father and the way he conducted himself. Most of the people do not know how the college started. I'll not take more than 3 to 4 minutes. That's what my ministers have given me the time to talk about. And I'll certainly stick to that. What I need to share with all the people over here is, my father started this institution in 1954 when he met Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Madhav Singh uncle's house. That was in Sikandrabad. And when he came, my father was asked by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, will you join my party? Then my father said, no, I am a dedicated congressman. You tell me, as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, what is that you want me to do for the service of the people of the weaker sections? Then he said, you start an institution. And when he started this Ambedkar College in 1973, October 5th, when Mr. President Giri came here and inaugurated it, I remember very well that we had teaching faculty who were drawing a salary of not more than 250 rupees. Today, the kind of salaries the teachers and all the staff get is an enormous effort by the institution itself and the family which we have taken up in terms of the responsibility for all the institutions to grow and make it as a knack which has been already been conferred. And we would like to see that this kind of recognition will go throughout the country. And we are very proud to announce that the Law College faculty, which has got so many courses which is going to teach people. And we have a huge demand for the law college. As far as the people who come over here, that includes all the IAS, IPS, chief secretaries, everybody come and write the exam over here. We see a lot of cars coming from the government side. But again, ultimately, our privilege to host this kind of occasions has been a great privilege provided by my father. And altogether, me, my brother, Saroja madam, and all the staff who are working over here, we take the responsibility to see that everybody are comfortable. We take the responsibility to see that the institution grows. And I request the Honorable Ministers, both of them, to extend whatever possible support they can recommend to the Honorable Chief Minister to see that this institution goes to the levels where people recognize it in the international level. So I would request you. Yes, sir? So very kind of you, sir, and thank you very much. We are deeply grateful for your kind presence here, and we are absolutely happy that we could honor on my father's 10th death anniversary. It's so difficult to announce that also. We do not know how the time passed. 2014 to 24 appears to have walked away. So this kind of time streaming which is proceeding at a high pace, I think people need to understand that we all need to cover ourselves up. Let's move, let's make this organization a big one, and let my father and the entire name flourish across the international world. And thank you once again, sir, for your wonderful time and wonderful patience. Thank you very much.